Hello everyone. Today's topic is problems involving addition and subtraction from your chapter 3 subtraction. This topic is involving some word problems first on the basis of addition and subtraction. Let us first discuss it. Here I have taken the first word problems. Number 1. A milk dairy collects 25,545 liters of milk daily. It supplies 15,625 liters of milk to a milk depot and rest to the market. How much milk is supplied to the market? So, total milk collected is this liter and the milk dairy supplies this liter of milk to milk depot and the remaining milk is supplied to the market. So, let us first write that milk collected this equal to 25,545 liters. This milk is total collected. Now, milk supplies to milk depot. Supplied to milk depot. This is 15,625. Just arrange below it liters. So, remaining milk to find the remaining milk we have to subtract this from this liter. Let us subtract 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, 5 minus 6 that is 15 minus 6 9, one word from here, so it becomes 4, 14 minus 5 9, again one word from here, so 1 minus 1 0, 9920 liters. This milk remains. So this is the rest of milk which is supplied to the market. So how much milk is supplied to the market? Therefore 9,920 liters of milk is supplied to the market. Okay, so this complete. So this was an application of subtraction. Coming to next word problem. Which number should be subtracted from this to get this one? So the required number is subtracted from this number to get as a result of this number. What was the number? That we can find by subtracting the result from this number. So let us first subtract 52,847, subtract this number, arrange it 9 8 4 2 2, subtract 9 7 7 means 17 minus 9 8, one word from here, so it becomes 3 means 13 minus 8 5, one word from here, it becomes 7 minus 4 is 3, 2 minus 2 0, 5 minus 2 3. So this is the number which is subtracted from this number to get this. So your answer therefore 30,358 should be subtracted from this number 52,847 to get this one 22,489. So this complete. Next, coming to another problem. This is the problem number 3. Find the number which is 53,172 more than this one. So the required number is larger by this from this number. So we have to increase the value. Therefore, the required number is this more. So we have to add 53,172 with 64,278. Let us find it. 53172 and here 8 7 2 4 6. Add this. 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry. 6 7 7 14 plus 1 15 5, again 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 carried 4. 3 plus 4 7, 6 plus 5 11. This becomes the number. So the number is, therefore the number is this one, 1,17,450. Coming to problem number 4. Here is the problem. Find the number that should be added to this to get the sum as this one. So this is the sum that we get by adding a number with this one. So what was the number? The number should be the value less than this one. So we have to decrease the value from this. That's why we have to subtract this one from the result. So here sum of the numbers, this one 65,785 and one of the number is this. This one, arrange it just below. 3 8 4 5 2. So what is the other number? The other number, this we get by subtracting. So let us subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2, 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 4 3, 5 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 2 4, 40,302. So this number should be added. Therefore 40,302 should be added to 25,483 to get the sum 65,785. This completes the answer. Next, similar type of problem as in 4 number, but which number should be subtracted from this number to get this number. So the number is subtracted from this to get the difference as this one. So one of the number is this. What should be subtracted? You have to find it. So note down here, larger number, this is the larger number. Larger number equal to 52847, and the number that is subtracted from this is the smaller. So a smaller number you have to find, but difference is given. difference equal to this one, the result 22489. What was the smaller number that we have to find? So smaller number, subtract it. To find the smaller number we have to decrease the value, so subtract. 7 minus 9 means 17 minus 9, 8. 1 borrowed from here, it becomes 3. 13 minus 8, 5. Again 1 borrowed from here, it becomes 7 minus 4, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 30,358. So this is the number should be subtracted. Therefore 30,358 should be subtracted from this one 52,847 to get 22,489. This complete. Coming to next word problem. Here 6 number. In a factory there are 35,675 workers. Out of them 10,750 workers come in the first shift, 12,650 workers in the second shift, and the rest of them come in the third shift. How many workers came in the third shift? That you have to find. So this is the total number of workers, and the worker come in the first shift is this 10,750, and worker come in the second shift is this 12,650. So first we will find how many workers come in total in first and second together. Let us first find this, that number of workers came in the first and second shift together. This equal to sum of the number of workers in first shift and second shift, that is 10,750, and then below 12,650 add. This is the total number of workers in first shift and second shift. 0, 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 1, 14, 4, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. 23,400 workers come in together first and second shift. So the remaining of the workers comes in the third shift. How many total workers were there? This is the total workers. Total workers 35,675, and workers come in the first shift and second shift together this number. So rest of the workers come in the third shift. Therefore number of workers came in the third shift, this equal to the difference of the total and the this one. Subtract 5 minus 0 5, 7 minus 0 7, 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 3 2, 3 minus 2 1. 12,275 workers come in the third shift, and this become the answer. Okay. So this was the some applications of addition and subtraction, whatever is fit in which problem. Now we will come to a some simplification type problem. Simplify. First simplify is this one, suppose. Okay. So this is a simplification you have to do. So in simplify, first you have to check the problem is arranged first addition and then subtraction or not. Yes, it is arranged. First addition is there and then subtraction. So first we will do the addition work, this one. So let us arrange it. 3, 5, 7, 8, 9 and then below this number arrange it. Add. Here 9 plus 1 10, 1 carry, 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 16, 6 1 carry, 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 3 11. This become the addition result. So this addition result become 117,960. Now write this also at the sides, 70583. Now we have to subtract this one from this. So arrange this number just below. 3 8 5 0 7. We have to subtract. Do the subtraction. 0 means 10 minus 3, 7, 1 word from here, so it becomes 5, 15 minus 8, 7, again 1 word from here, so it becomes 8, 8 minus 5 is 3, 7 minus 0, 7, here 1 considered as 11, 11 minus 7 is 4, 1 word from here, so this is the result, 4 7 3 7 7. So this become the answer of the simplification. Already this simplification was arranged in proper way, first addition and subtraction. Let us come to another simplification example, 2 number. This first there is a subtraction and then addition is there, but we always arrange first addition and then subtraction. So what you have to do, first arrange it. This number, first number remains at the first, okay, then arrange this one, plus 1 2 3 5 4 and then minus this one, 5 1 6 3 9. So now it is arranged first addition and then subtraction. Now do it, first addition, 8 3 2 9 5 and plus this 5 3 2 1, arrange, add. So here 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 4 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5, 8 plus 1 9. So addition result we get 9 5 6 4 9 and then minus 5 1 6 3 9. Write this number just below it, 9 3 6 1 5. Subtract. 9 minus 9 0, 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 5 4. So the result become 4 4 0 1 0. So this is the result of the simplification. So whenever there is not arranged the proper way. We have to first arrange the addition and then subtraction. Now suppose come to this example where minus this one this one. Okay, so 4 numbers are given. First this minus this one plus this one. So first we have to arrange the addition, this one. First number remains same in its place, and then take this one plus 63951. Here is subtraction this one and then subtraction this one. We will write successively this and then this. 48251 and minus 12509. This is the arrangement. Just we have done the arrangement. Now we have to do the work. First add between these two, 32501 and add 15936. Add this. So 1 plus 1 2, 5, 9 plus 5 14, 4, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. So this addition become 96452. Then successively write these two number minus 48251 minus 12509. Now then here is subtraction, here is also subtraction. First do the first subtraction, this one. This is the number, arrange this number just below it. 1 5 2 8 4. Subtract. 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 8, 16 minus 8, that is 8, one word from here, so it becomes 8. 8 minus 4 4. So 48201, then this is the remaining one, 12509. Now we will do again subtraction. Write this just below it, 9051 2 1. Subtract. So here 1 considered 11, 11 minus 9 is 2, 0 considered as 10, but one word from here, so it becomes 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 again word from here, so this become 1. 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. One word from here, it becomes 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. 4 minus 1 3. So result become 35692. This become the answer. So students, this was the some simplification type problem where addition and subtraction involved together, and in that case you have to arrange first addition and then subtraction. Hope you have understood the simplification problem as well as the word problems that are discussed before it. So this was the complete topic for today. Next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you and goodbye.